Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that. See what other goodies they have to offer. Hopefully, everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Let's take a look inside. Let's see what it is. Things are picking back up now. Here we go. Oh boy. Alright. We got a electric cleaning brush. Alright, shows the same thing. There we go. So we shall see how this looks. Give it a test run. And that's it. But now China had the New Year. It's coming to an end. We shall see what comes through the mail. Here we go. We got stuff to put accessories in. Kind of like a satchel. And now here we go. Definitely gonna need these. Digital spray. Ooh. Ooh, bubble wrap. Oh yeah. This must be the sprayer. Oh yeah. Oops. Ooh. This is where you put the liquid in. Okay. Here's the bottom. That's where you put the hose. Right there. Has a nice grip. Right here, you can see the grip. Put that right there. And now we have here the wand. Probably extend it. We got a brush. Put that right there. Got a USB charger for this cord. Another circular scrubber. It's like they'll scrub for your dishes. Now here's a full handle. We got some goodies in the bottom. Take this off. Some kind of, get two of these. So we get hooked up. Come on. Uh-oh. All right. Got a scrubber. And we got something like this. I'll pop it out. I don't know if it got bent. They should have done a better job with the box. Yeah, it's alright though. Probably reshape itself once you use it. Well, I guess that's what happens. Always cramming too much stuff in a little box. That's not a good thing to do. Alright. Now this is a handle. So we go. Alright. Extend those. Here we take this in. Alright, we heard it click in. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There's a digital display. Ha! Oh boy. You can probably detail cars and stuff, RVs. Put the soap and water in there. Hold on one sec. Okay, yep. Alright. Seal this up. So I'm not going to use the water. I don't have nothing really to clean right now. We'll do... Oops, sorry about that. Mic drop. Just gotta go... Yeah, you could definitely... There we go. Got it locked in. Let's see it spinning. Okay. You can switch it out easily. Just make sure you turn it off. There you go. And then safely remove it. You should be fine. Whoop. There we go. Get the pad. There we go. Locked in. See how easy that was? There we go. 68% should be good enough. You can clean bathtubs, you know, bathrooms, kitchens. Come on, shut up. There we go. Alright, guys. So definitely check them out. Links are going to be down below. Be safe. Have a good night.